In this video, I'll show you how to install paper inside of your Canon PIXMA 3620. It's very easy and it can be done in just a few seconds. So the first thing you need to do is to lower this front lid. Simply stick your finger here and push it down. Then you'll have this small tray opening. You're going to open it even further. You see it here, there's a small slit. Stick your finger there and simply push on the outside like this. Additionally, you can even flip this small plastic this way. Then you'll notice that there's two guides over here. One is gray and one is black. To put a standard 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, you'll need to push them outwards. You just have to take your finger and push the gray one towards the right side. The left one will automatically go in the other way to make space for a sheet of paper. If you're printing on 4x6 paper, a picture let's say, you can put it at a smaller dimension since the 4x6 takes less space. But for now, let's do it like this. Now take your paper, it could be a stack of paper, and slide it through the two guides until you feel a resistance. Then before printing, you need to lower this top shelf as well. You can also extend it simply by pulling like this, since this is where everything that you will print will go. So this is how you insert paper inside of your Canon MG3620. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.